小心。USB, HDMI, and you can see all of these other ports. HDMI 1, 2, headphone, video, left and right. So these are all the ports at the back, some USB ports. Kogan, model number, serial number. Where's the serial number? So I've turned on the TV. This is the remote. This is the remote, and all I have to do was press this button. After you put the battery in, turn it on, and it says set up your TV. OK, press OK in the middle. English, Australia. That's it. Enjoy. Get started. No. So I have got HDMI 3 plugged in at the back. So let's see if we can get that to work. So just click the source button here. Source. And go to HDMI 3. Wow. Okay, so I've mucked around a bit, unplug a few things, plug them in again. So you can see here I've got my new Razer laptop. And the graphics card at the back. So there's my portable Razer graphics card at the back. And my new Razer laptop there, connected to my PC. Sorry, connected to my monitor, 75-inch. And look, that's a 13-inch there. That little monitor is 13-inch. That monitor there is 50-inch. And this is 75. Okay, so that's how huge it is. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you next time.